The retaliation by the Kenya Air Force is reported to have seen several bases belonging to the Al-Shabaab militia bombed by Kenyan fighter jets 300 kilometers into Somalia. From Mandera down to Lower Juba, believed to have been used in the planning of the Garissa attack. The Kenya Defense Forces operation against the Al-Shabaab entered its second day, making it the longest airborne counter-terrorism operation in KDF history. This as the men and women in uniform continue the search of Al-Shabaab key suspect Mahmoud Mohammed alias Gamadere, believed to have planned the Garissa campus attack that saw more than 147 people, most of them students, lose their lives. The damage assessment is yet to be done, with sources indicating that it could be the longest 2 days that the militants have ever seen. Military sources say KDF commandos have also neutralized a number of Al-Shabaab militants escaping the bombardment. Hassan Mugambi, K24 Newscat.